Hello, all. Welcome back to the day two of Srinagar series. Well, I started my day with this pleasant morning view from our boat house. Unfortunately, we got late today because we woke up late and also we had a power cut in between for like 10 to 15 minutes. So we got late certainly to check out. Again, also just because we had to go a long way to one of the most beautiful places in Srinagar, which is Gulmarg. But now, since we actually got late, we hit the traffic in the city since it was a working day and it was like office and college timings. We did hit the traffic in between. Gulmarg is pretty too far from the city, which could be around like 2 hours of journey.
Child out under. Chinky. Hello. Hi, mommy.
Hi.
నువ్వు ఇటు వచ్చినవా హౌ ఐ డెంట్ సీ యూ దీన్ని ఇప్పుడు ఎట్లా దిప్ప
Once we had a tea break in between, this is the spot where we actually change our travels car to the local tourist car because the regular tours and travels cars wouldn't be taking us to the Gulmarg or any other place that we are trying to visit.
చింకై ముచ్చట పెట్టిరు వెనక డిస్కషన్ నడుస్తుంది వెనక ఇగో డాడీ
This is also the same place where we actually take the snow costume, which could be, the boots, full jackets, gloves, and all. To be very precise, there is a pro tip here. It would be better whenever we go there, we bargain properly because they might quote too high for any sort of rent items that we would be taking. Unless it is really important for us to take those costumes, please do not take them because they just might say wherever you're trying to visit you have lot of snow there. No, they might lie because when you are visiting Srinagar post April, you might not see too much of snow there. It could be any time in rainy season as well, from August, September till November. You will not see too much of ice, even if it is Sonmarg or Gulmarg. So do not fall into their trap. Please do not get any unnecessary items for rent. And yes, now we are heading to Gulmarg, where I could see some ice over the mountains towards the sides of the roads. As per the localites' point, due to global warming, they had very less snowfall this year. But yes, since we are tourists there, we would be too much excited whenever we see ice. This is my third visit to Srinagar, but still, I just like a kid, I am so excited to have fun in the ice. Now, here, this is the spot which is kind of the last village which falls in Srinagar. That is what the driver was saying. I'm not sure about it. This place is actually called Drung or Drung. I don't know if I am pronouncing it properly. He was saying Drung. But yeah, this is the spot where we found this pretty waterfall. We did find some of the waterfalls in between, but those were not this huge, this big, which are not falling from too high. There we go. Finally, we reached Gulmarg border. We have entered into Gulmarg now, and I was so excited to see so much of ice all over the mountains here. But again, between I was seeing so many ATVs. Uh, this time, so I tried questioning our driver, so I got the information that this is something new implemented there, that too officially there would be a rider for ATV. We just need to sit back and chill and relax, enjoying the climate, enjoying the breeze, eyes, the views, everything. But we just need to be very careful again, to, while booking these ATVs, they might quote high amount again, high prices for the complete trip. So it would be better if you have a clear picture about the trip, what all places that they would be taking us to.
ఫుల్ వాన పడుతుంది. ఫుల్ కాదు, లైట్గా పడుతుంది, ముసురు ముసురు పడుతుంది.
Finally, we are in Gulmarg. So actually, before stepping into ice, before enjoying in the ice, we wanted to visit this Shiva temple in Gulmarg. This is the first time actually I'm going to this temple, because the first time when we visited Srinagar, it was literally, the temple was completely covered by ice. And the second time when we came here, it was raining too heavily, so we couldn't come to the spot. But this time when we visited here, it was really good. I am glad finally. I thought, okay, he gave me the permission to visit him, and it was too good. The day was superb. I had a very good day that day after visiting the temple. And once we were done with the temple darshan, me, my sister, even my parents and my family, we literally enjoyed a lot in the ice. I'm gonna post a shots on that what we have done in Srinagar separately. So here we are heading back to our hotel, because we had to go a long way to the city, so we started early. And yes, thank you so much watching this video. Let's catch up in the next video. Bye bye.